Hi, I'm Mert from Team Arcos, and I'm part of Team Arcos together with Isabel, Max, and Alexander. And our solution for the Veneto region is to provide an ideal tailored payload for the farmers or agricultural people here in the Veneto South region. For example, to do health crop monitoring, or in general, like monitor the crops that are here endangered because of the climate change in the past years, because of drought. And we also emphasize the usage of a distributed satellite formation and compared to just using one big satellite with all the cameras, because we are therefore more flexible, we have more redundancy, and we also have the ability to be more scalable than just one big satellite. And the reason why it was important for us to actually participate here in the Veneto South Challenge is to gain a better knowledge of what the user needs are will actually be from the users that we are targeting, and also we want to gain more knowledge from the agricultural experts that have more knowledge than us in the region of the agricultural science. And therefore we're also pretty grateful to be part of this amazing challenge.